Welcome to the channel TechUnboxPro. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Motorola Edge 70 Neo 2027, and we'll go through everything from design, display, and camera to performance, battery, and overall user experience. Starting with the design, the Motorola Edge 70 Neo comes in a dark blue matte finish, giving it a sleek and premium look. The back features the Motorola batwing logo at the center and a triple camera module in the top left corner with a 108 megapixels primary sensor. The build quality feels solid, comfortable in the hand, and the metallic frame adds a refined touch to its modern style. The front side of the phone is equally impressive, with a large AMOLED display that produces vibrant colors, sharp text, and smooth touch response. Watching videos, browsing apps, or playing games feels immersive and fluid. The screen shows all app icons, notifications, and details clearly, making it ideal for everyday use and media consumption. The camera setup is one of the strongest points. The 108 megapixels main camera captures detailed, bright, and sharp images even in low-light conditions. The additional lenses allow for ultra-wide and portrait shots, giving creative flexibility for photography enthusiasts. Selfies are clear and vibrant, perfect for social media, and video recording is smooth with accurate color reproduction. On performance, the Edge 70 Neo is powered by a fast processor and sufficient RAM, handling multitasking, heavy apps, and high-end games with ease. Gaming tests show smooth performance without lag, making it a strong contender for users who demand speed and efficiency. Battery life is reliable and long-lasting, supporting a full day of moderate to heavy usage. The phone also comes with fast charging, so you can quickly recharge and stay connected without long interruptions. Other notable features include 5G connectivity, a responsive fingerprint sensor, and a clean, user-friendly interface. Overall, the Motorola Edge 70 Neo is a complete smartphone package, perfect for tech enthusiasts, gamers, photographers, and daily users who want a premium and reliable device. That's it for this hands-on review. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechUnboxPro for more detailed smartphone unboxings, reviews, and performance tests. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where we explore camera, gaming, and battery tests in depth.